Welcome to this render course, where we will exclusively teach sheet metal modeling with SolidWorks 2016. Metal sheets, or sheet metal, are basically thin metal blades, which can be adjusted or molded to obtain parts through forming processes. Going through finishing processes. In this first class we will give you an overview of the organization of the course. Come on, let's go. To facilitate learning, this course is organized into classes, where we will explain the concepts and application of the commands. Practical examples, where we will do case studies, reviewing the topics discussed. And complementary exercises, which are the tasks proposed for the student to do and train. Throughout the didactic elements, we will provide native SolidWorks files, which the student must download to assist in learning. All course auxiliary files can be opened in SolidWorks 2016 release. So to ensure access to them, we also recommend using SolidWorks 2016 version. However, it is possible to have a good learning only by watching classes and practicing in your own place, in the desired version of the program. Now let's get to know the structure of the course, starting with the first module, where we will learn how to do the initial modeling of the plates. We will look at how to create sketches and apply basic sheet features. How to create tabs, flanges, handle corners, and create gauge tables. To practice, we will make the complete modeling of a metal sheet. In the second module we will continue to create sheet metal. We will use more specific features that will help create plates more easily and efficiently. We'll see how to cut, bend, mirror, create deviations and sweeps. We will also model and practice a fastening metal sheet. In the third module, we will learn how to edit sheet metal. We will use the shaping tool and see how to convert, export and import. To train, we will develop and practice a power supply cover. In the fourth module, we will study about planning, assembly and rendering of metal sheets. To complement learning, we will perform two very interesting practical examples. In the fifth and last module we will learn how to detail sheet metal. In the drilling environment, we will use the available resources and add the gauge and puncture tables. To fix the contents of the module, we will make a practical example. By completing this course you will be prepared to create professional sheet metal projects in SolidWorks. Join Render students and show more this competence to the market. Render, WHO knows teaches.